Said I wrote this realize that I love you still. Yes, I. So, moving on. So, I just want to big up all of the patients here coming out in numbers. Luton Fyah. So, don't go. What's his name? Ah, yeah. Don't go, baby. Don't go. I want you to stay. Now that I'm lost, every queen by love. One more time on the top. Don't go, baby. Don't leave me. Stay right here. Yeah. Don't go. And leave me behind. No. Now that I'm lost, everything to you. So you wanna start something new. It's breaking my heart to leave it. Baby, I'm breathing. But if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you find a lot of nice things to wear. Then a lot of nice things to bad out there. Alright, and oh baby, it's a wide world. I'll say goodbye, just a brother. No, the coward. And oh baby, it's a wide world. I'll always remember you like a child girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. See, I never wanna see you sad, girl. Tell me about girl, that if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you find a lot of nice friends out there. Then a lot of nice friends turn bad out there. And oh baby, it's a ride. Oh Lord, time to get by. Just a gonna smile, yeah. And oh baby, it's a ride. I'll always remember you like a child. So this world is so wide. What is my confusion? What is right? Yeah. It's a lot tight. You know, she don't know what the right.